yourself at the first place. We married to you about we got me go. We married to Abieyuwa. You say you be we got me go. Now when the relationship not come work out for you, umameti kolobi now person who must not feel calm. Now they call bad person. Iye Kevin ya, as we speak right now, you see how desperate Mama Kevin can be. A frustrated boy never be a webu. No, wow, webu. You need that to give her food. Now that one must come to talk and say, I married my choice. I married my choice. I married a choice that cannot give you children. Is that a choice? A choice where it be say children when he born for another place. Now you they take care of them with your small change. Where you see for Facebook. Abieyuwa is no longer in your life. Since Abieyuwa come up for your life, now we can see the shame and disgrace with your life. Meaning, now Abieyuwa money, now you take the eat, now you take the drink, now you take the wear your clothes with the wear. And why do atalo? I be big boy. You be big boy. May you bought the shirt now where Abieyuwa sent for you. No, mama take join. So why? You know, so if you bought that shirt, you want something like more. Now listen. Adam yo. Adam yo. Share this video. Now listen yo. When I have share this video, you don't lose. Iye Kevin Agbofi will still dey talk for this issue. Iye Kevin, you not get conscience. Your own daughter. You really talk and say if man suck their quick, say the sweet, say the thing they make their leg they shake. Your own daughter, you are not the play for inside this issue. So as arrest, use you do godmother on an Oregon. On Yahweh, I will godmother. Condemn element, condemn iron, or Yahweh. That's it. You should be ashamed of yourself for once.
I'm not saying
for once, so.
Listen. I'm not saying
who remember that time? A day where every evening, must will come outside. Yeah, Mama Kevin will food yourself. Yes, one zoo. They'll begin, they'll look for one person, break commerce. They'll saga today. They'll look for another person, break commerce. They'll saga. Or most will you will talk and say, if I marry, my wife can never talk when I'm talking on live video. My wife belongs to the kitchen. What is Mama Nora doing on Enogie's live video? What is Mrs. Daosa or what is the president? But who will video today now? Why we can't live live video? Why you see the shame, the life where you be one live, you don't say and live. When you call the live man now, you call the live man in the wrong way. No picky way that ass will be your own. Whoa, eh? You know, you know, see my juicy by first one now. Or we can 4 children be me. 4 children or be me. If I spend any money in this house, I'm spending it on my blood children. And not to say people who take care of other people's children say they're not be personal, but not 4 to 4 different papa. You open air. You where they look so if you be woman, you go allow your younger brother or your elder brother marry woman with up 4 children for 4 different fathers. Will you do it? Now a Muslim family is scattered. The senior one, the junior one is saw the senior one for the family. Egberia, Egbezaga, Okagbele. Iye Kevin family, picking on the family mama they play. And Mama Kevin, not even the thick arm. The 2 families are not even in support of their marriage, but they come on social media to say, I married my choice, I married my heart desire. Kevin is so desperate. When a woman is desperate, Mama Kevin is another definition of when a woman is desperate. Now after 6, you got to see your husband marry, and you are very proud of it. The husband now, I wish the husband that person where they try now, we go for good. He cannot even boast of 500 euro. Abieyuwa was the alpha and the omega of his life. You now, they marry you now. You wait that they call my choice. You know if you send your husband family money for this Christmas. I mean, 100 naira cake and mama the you not even send your picky money safe. Yeah, Kevin, he may tell me when I way. Few days from now, your daughter, when you're gonna get to do enemy, you will come my platform. Come expose you. Now that's in your daughter. Now I want to locate Papa Kelvin. Because if a mom was mistakenly, for example, now say God can't do one more. almost will come give you belly with a small prick. You know, be almost one name because you are legally married in Italy. Legally married. The ring still the Papa Kevin hand. The deport husband for you to look for her to bring her come. You see how stupid you are. Now see this, now see the same stupid person. Now still use you do godmother. Person you wake up and want to say, now Mama Kevin ain't want to do godmother. A frustrated woman. For no matter you one really awebo. Almost will post if Mama Kevin don't ever enter flight since she did Europe in 94. May I post my wife when she take go Nigeria 2 times. Post. Toro. One of the listening. I got video now. Share this video.
Your phone don't lost. Just your phone. I see your phone for 10 days. You see they go 3 hours. And the child stop and say, where are you going to? He said this. She's going to 3 house. What are you going to do in 3 house? He said this abroad on Tayara. He said, I said, why? I said, let do the lie. Yeah, okay. Is the charge no use there? Is your wife even the homeless? Is the charge the homeless woman? Is you where what? Is you what? Abieyuwa. Awa haya kila mugi ari wirame. No e kagi ma o. You understand?
Amazwa, let me talk to you. Wa, according to you, we wa. But at the end of the day, on the yene. Married homeless. Even if my mother is staying in law, no problem. And that why they call us. Oh, only with your wa. No, almost war. Only with your wa. That's why they call us. Say you get family as for being only with your wa. Wow, my wagmo don't prince. I see you. Oh, that's why they call us. Wagbe bola wagbe. Eh, why we attack we am wa? We have a family as where we actually house. That toilet, a toilet. When I pay you what you go to wase. When mama ti be ya arrange say no make na do dem modernize. Then you already favor water sort and water ministry. Like mona fear and I may we band to bed after many years of abroad. You were ye. God must go. You go to me one. You go to Abieyuwa. What did you use it to do? What ya? We attack with me over. Rubbish. Ayakilas. When at Ayakilas. What's an eternal level? No there. Therefore wait. No way Baba with the smell. See the kind of problem where they give people when no one no two. They are not level. They are not running from their whole familiars. No mami go ya mugavo. They are not running because why? Because of your stupidity on social media. Because of what you use your hand cause. Oh, come on, when we mention Abieyuwa. Oh, what time we go soon Abieyuwa last week Saturday. And why can't they get and say Awaya class tomorrow? Why they can't come for us? When my time do the way Obama bring everything around. Why? Hey, make you know, didn't it? It's a come. Right, wait. The screen can't guy be right. Come black. What did they blow? Yeah, don't tell me again. Big woman. Bless it, don't do kill. Here, one man. Yeah, then. Why we are? Ma, Abieyuwa, you not clear, Nabi. My guy, guys, it don't do okay. Or do okay, ah. Or they okay, ah. For where? Ma they okay. Is that they okay? Oh, Baba. No, wait, no. It's a little boring. I walk here. Yeah, I don't do okay. Don't do okay. Correct. I do okay, man. Yes, I can see it now that it's okay. I'll do okay, man. Hello, Amonamose. But I'll do okay, man. I will do okay, no clear there. Let's see.
Ayakila no Giari Wirami. Abieyuwa sent assassin to my father's house today. May they go keep somebody from our house. Abieyuwa sent Ayakila to my father's house today.
What down
You understand?
What down there?
If you have the word important information, Abieyuwa sent assassin Ayakila to go to my father's house today. Tomorrow morning, I will bring out my face to talk about these things. Tomorrow morning. You understand? So, and Abieyuwa made forget what he said. Na community, now you send the go. So anything we stop by the grace of God, I'm way. Anything we stop, Abieyuwa, we family go hang way more. What?
If anything by mistakenly happen to you, now you use your hand, cause your problem to yourself. Yes, of course. We are telling Abieyuwa with kiss. Omozo, I am asking you a question. We are telling Abieyuwa with case here. Say na community. Not be the community even show them the place. Not be the community, your community people. Now even tell us, say, see where they dey, see how they get I am muya. I'm eta muya we not muya wa. No. We mag bon wa mauta yak bon asun wa. But even so run na muya ba. Adore condition no ladia no Abieyuwa. You never even know what you did they play. A family house or get man save. While the social media was zoo, while Baba with the smell, Baba with the smell no zoo. Baba with the smell will not fit born woman cloth. No, gualo, mameti give. Try and make you born the cloth to Abieyuwa send you. Namie, there's a little power in your ladian. You are what else they no try now? Oh, where you go sympathy. Are you looking from sympathy? When the devil, anybody know to our wagmona. Anybody at all. He are not to where. Oh, go and agbo and if so gbe mi ya fe no. I pity gbon mi no se. E owo. O he ko dan nínú we ni. No ya tie bo nínú se we ni. Abi ya we no wegbe. Because am we no wegbe. You would think you are the Alpha and the Omega. Enogie is an ungrateful element. At the end of the day, what you be my yes. Yes, God more than that. Yes. Hello. Hey, Baba Tori. That's the Prince.
Yeah, what? Enogie. I'm almost worried. More when I have video with them who about assassin Masiropa.
Okay.
Master, I information me we see where Papa is still okay. Now I send my boy say go video to ask.
Okay.
Master, so when I'm worried about
okay.
Almost I'm worried about Abieyuwa assassin Yagbe having a come up. When I said assassin,
assassin, when no fit money, take carry their papa hospital.
Where I said assassin, I don't want more. Don't want to get I come more.
Oh, but he had me our to start with. Then I had me
even the assassin will not be happy to kill very poor people. The assassin of Yagbo and not poor.
Error, you not day. Error.
Enogie, where disgrace it? Boy, now, when I walk one night, here can be a bazooka. A straight to get you know that Mama don't have any property in Nigeria.
This straight to get all the other tell me hack me now. I got video now.
Okay. Where you can be property wa?
You can be property wa. Every property
Mama cannot address people with English.
Ọ̀páyà ìbàkín yóò rí wá zùwà.
I'm telling you, Iyore is a Jaga Zepo. But when you get about the boy addresses in social media, or where you close the Facebook.
Iyore to be any Yagbe Unie.
So I don't get the or not in 37 the whole social media. Or is he Kevin the most you like no care more? You almost want the owner. I is 1 hour, in a 1 hour. And you can get make noise. You can get make noise. Obey the page already. Obey the have me Pastor Chris already. In a boss where you can be you can be a page. You are spending about power is a gift. Hey, Pastor Chris, you are there. Hey, Pastor Grace, on God in the glass, where you are. Where you are, they don't get who say, who is Latin. I have voice away. I got by a voice you can be. You can be, I cannot. You can be ready. Every page you are going, almost happy as more.
They are not hearing me.
When I don't get, they are not hearing me all the time. They are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me.
What because
we are not getting any boon, no get almost or ya cage of one. Any boon, so ya cage that the woman is an illiterate.
Big one.
So that woman will continue to sue or there. That we want to marry to her. Every choice.
Or then on a swaggy.
Any choice. No, Abieyuwa, Abieyuwa ye carry. Ye guy, Abieyuwa we are here. Ye can be by what after later. You cannot tell about open with you. I don't want better. Yes, I'm not here. You go power. You go power.
Okay.
Abieyuwa we both been on another told now. When we can be less, and now with what? Since we're carrying on, maybe you go or maybe you go get a Benega Palo.
Yeah.
A Benega Palo. Near one your own way below the way, Abieyuwa was said my name, Mr. Jebo. When I was on apostle. Oh, now would then Abieyuwa not be cooking, Mr. Jebo. Oh, you know who? Oh, now I'm going to cooking, Mr. Jebo, so that no make enough with the Abieyuwa and Tori. Yeah, where Messi. Subusubu making meeting, I already may have the or might try.
I'm going to swallow.
I won't or might try. Now, there's a papillo, or there's a papillo when they have your on or is a one bessy papillo. He won't beg anybody know what's the Kelly Abieyuwa also a move.
A matter.
Yeah, but also not better when I make put also where I ask Kelly Abieyuwa or move. Oh, my boy. He tried to block everywhere, Jetro, small Jetro. But they don't push it that way. They don't get much only that way. It's a no boy, we're the other way. That's so.
Wow, man.
Wow, so Baba, this is where we continue too much.
Baba, we'll see. Mazwo.
Meru. Wakabogi haya kila ajo wirave. Abieyuwa. Yego nyagi haya kila ajo wirave we no we na de ma egbe na Abieyuwa yego nyagi haya kila ajo wirave we na iwe ni karo tai live video no ya ho you understand no wala ina bulu fo
wale buwe
we na te address ogo ki me we live video
feel be Abieyuwa
Mazwo we na address ogo ki me the live video iwe ti as me na arrest you ni
no ka fi negere
me ye de na arrest we no sa
ni ya ita mi won no se go wa gbe Abieyuwa Abieyuwa you feel abi kere wa mi ni o kere mu ki ade gbe ni we me lo ki etun ake ajage ohun ya vi okwa because even no wishere osun we gbo na ugwa wa mi o won ya je presenter ya jo wi ya you go they celebrate they happy they happy wa go win ya. Happy drive.
Oh, what ye Kevin Bo? When ye Kevin Muladian?
Unaga go.
Well, we can get 20 years or yabo wonderful. Ni Kevin Bo.
Now before I declare myself for something, eh? Before I go to my boy for gate, I never put before in a big yo. After inside house, the environment is clean. Even until I never put gate. If that before this thing where they buy, so not go bear, the same money they got. No, that was there. One of us I use and make example. Since our lovely sister take my Sharon, I reduce for minute. I take a lot of things easy. Since that our beautiful sister take my, I take a lot of things easy. If I need that thing, they buy and say I no want them. Before I say I be 500,000, maybe I say that go. I go reach metal. If I don't no follow me go. Now you go ma, I had to use it to maintain myself. I don't bonbon every year bonbon. So now this time I have to maintain myself. So even get now, I never say do and finish.
Okay.
I never maintain and finish.
When you Kevin Morel at
I don't market bring you, but this side has
Hello.
Hello, mama. I talk by you.
Baba, what
Maya ma.
Oh. Continue. You know what it is? The problem is that Mama Kevi, you don't get voice. You know if he talking, it's like he make a contract. With a contract with a Omozuo. Says you will be first wife. And number 2, if he carry any woman.
Exactly.
If he even carry woman, come this your house, come do one. Mama Kevi accept put. So I see there now, he no fit talk, he no fit consult that boy because that boy don't cage up. He don't give her rule and regulation. You understand?
Exactly.
He don't give her. Oh, no more 100, he carry 100 wife. Mama Kevi not get voice to talk. Only waiting go accept. Oh ma, what you? Now me be first wife.
Yeah.
No need. You understand? And then already know say in age, don't go. So wait no day again. No whatever, no why ya belo bi mi o be alele kalo. O be mi no be la lo we ofo. Oni okpa ni wajeba.
That's true.
That woman no get voice. He no fit talk to her. Because me I don't see any woman when he head correct, when he dey normal, or when he get the money, when man will fit cage like this, you know they.
Hello.
You know what happen when soon, understand? So now you know the contract when you can get.
You are very right.
This one when they do so, if they think say no backfire to her. Now Mama Kevi, now you the journal this saga the woman where she feel no before he can't know you woman. I'm sorry for your life. I'm sorry for you. Just listen.
Very shameless black woman. Very shameless woman.
Abieyuwa the motor of that Abieyuwa.
Okay. You don't know.
You know Abieyuwa the motor of that Abieyuwa.
Yeah.
You just look this social media. Enogie, look this social media. No one person even come out beg for her. Where be why? Or even my come one.
I beg you. Hey, you want be you not be fair. Be what trouble.
No, nobody even.
He will scatter your whole family. Whatever do atawe, no one say family we are. When ele alagbodu weku, alagbodu we me do exist.
Scatter your family. You know as this boy they do. Even Becky, you want like Becky be the same thing. Or when Becky celebrate you. God bless you. Thank you. It's just that one say enter Becky body.
The same thing.
The same thing.
The quick talk show.
Even problem the same thing. Even this woman wait, they spay. We don't see everything will happen. Not be enter that one body. When you won't fight that one because of Ogun matter. Nice thing enter that one body. But if he come live, you go come the lie. Now be the greatest liar. You go come the lie. Say now those people fair final. Now they final. Not be your fight. Now they say make you fight. Why have been finish your don't do it. You can't cover it.
Almost was setting there.
Antiti saga no let you take cover. Antiti give me fire with door. Now Antiti kasa. Now Antiti did this one. Antiti talk for inside house. Beg this boy. Beg. Now la where you me again. In your jun se fry.
Oh yeah, what?
Girls you sign na.
If I bought that,
follow me. Why family way you are not playing. Why family way cook. My mama saw them in social media. Why they cool?
At the end, Mama, almost one the family not they play, but he had to always settlement with social media. He had to accept it. Oh,
Joy. You never know you record of Ropa. But I was like Joy. When una record, Tia was a go. Oh, boy, I love one year. In Johnny Wabu, a put on a one with Padaladi, on a wag,
Padaladi.
I was a gag Johnny. I was a gag Johnny.
Okay.
On my set to be saying enough, Emila Macbera.
Okay.
All the Padaladi, not be Agbe.
Okay.
Thing of this boy, they bring up on social media.
Okay.
If you call shit, you go, they cry.
All do so. All do have here. All do all
every day you have money to ne. All do so do see it. All when go be jeni after go kana. You ka nice when you are go wish oka. E ba guess asi. Get a new way pan house as you got.
Oh, I cannot collect.
Collect your house.
I cannot collect na ya mu yo ohime ma toge. Oh, we yellow.
I'm not in here. Emi da ya na go bo. I got me out to our soul. You with your family, you are not playing. Why you call yourself a rubber king? You cause this problem to yourself. From Ogia Bucket Day, Uno too. Ogia Bonam, we know your Bonam now. Ogia boy, Serana Mammy Otto, Amami Owa, Ami Wajon, Ami Watojone, when no marry. Also, when you feel, you know the people part where I hate for this boy body. You know the way they come up, Enogie, Lare, Yago Ebon, Tori Avas, Yago Ebon, Dori you day, Go Ebon, all you day. No, Rubek,
I'm what you are not on you. I'm what you are
not the respect, no respect, you know.
Yes, your body, wow. Oh, yeah, allow it. Me, I will start with you.
Social media.
Social media president or sales my almost worry where and in no way the name will not be your own. Why you call the claimer so that you be social media or sales my almost worry.
Nobody. If you enjoy, I'm wearing a love your care on a Mujoni Egbe. Mamma Susie on a Mujoni. Oh, what money are the tear when over me out here? Oh, to see do. Not those women the vest. Well, one who moves my bear, one young boy. Bring the evidence, my worry. Or you got here once a gamma, and you love your corner, and you move my, and you want everything is a hole forever. But I went down here was so. Okay, the top of you. A way to keep your women. You know, was a guy, a mata. Who call? I want me to Swazi. I mean, get a naga. That's it. And you know, because you were here. Oh, who know why I go to America? You don't even do anything. You know why I go to Saga. You think you go free? You go free.
Oh, my name is you. Also, I'm going on.
I'm going on. You're Matthew. There's a nice boy back home. Come out to Saga with the Saga. We don't claim one. Who got a Niger Naja and Dagger with Enogie. Is here go video. More video master because he knows you are a fool. I'll fool you with people.
Already. A boat on there already. You
do the post. I want to stop me and the assassin and any army, and a soldier. Not get where you milate. And not get where you milate. And I don't can't you move about talk.
Mama. My video na pay wow no them. You got a live video.
I watched you yesterday night.
I want with
a family ye gbe ye wa agbin na yo me lo ki gbe ki mami e o mami no be e no bo ka gbe we re e o ka gbe o ma do avalo kojo ohun o janu gbe janu e la video na o ka gbe o ma do avalo kojo ohun de la video na because un talking just now I got you because I got you not better la video but what lekia ora e go ba o janu bi ai but many rock ba you will lose na nekere no this is just the beginning for you continue we ite unko na mo gwa ni egwa mo akia yen ya gwa de gbe we sagare ni ala de o ke we sagare de gbe ya bo wa be ukin me upoto egwe no no ma
o ma wi ya gwa ya si mo wa gbo me ya bie o wi ya de gbe de sagare
o ma wi ya gwa lo wa o ma wi ya gwa le be ni ya wina o ma wi ya gwa le be o be la jabe na iwu ye mi e bo na wu ari abasi jore be na ijore kwa ya bie wi gbo mama we gwa lo pe abe no mwa konu e no wa nu kwa bie ne nu kwa bie
on your money ijore ma we on your money ijore
e no no mo so ni na do abasi no abasi no ma kin ye bie ye ko ye tare gbe ye na do akamere
mama ye ga abasi jore be na ya na la zo ni ban me mai
Abujore wa bie ijore wa to tako emi ati e wa to tako bigbo ma nwa ko ne ugwa lo ma we ja gwo lo ma we no ma we nwa ko no nu bie ja gwo lo ma we bueno wa se ko kun ya kian ona pregnant for me not get pregnant for me e tu we be gwo lo wo kian no emi no ho we gbodo ja ba so ma
vecchio romania mure oni ni wa
when I want to tell you why, o ma se ti we ko no we ado aba so ma be o nu po wa we tete ja ro na e mo ko we ama konu e bueno no mare e bo na ki ko e mi no ba ro ke pe o to ja ba so o to ya bon ade but ma pu bo te we have se ku we you don't have any advice to give anyone in this live video well when no man you get inside because who go who we are who need work kekegbe nobody you listen to nobody your family know people outside know who are you okay you don't listen to people you want people to listen to you are a bastard I'm a beer way
oh we
I'm a beer way
every year no Amegbe is a bastard.
No, because it's something annoying. Very annoying. Where do you talk? What can I do you do?
Oh, you are versi yore no ya bie. Eri kevi wo mo a mama.
Injure kwani ati versi jore yan we gba mi gbe mo. Kwani yan we ko ni jore do bi seti. E jore wi we gba lo no we do lo bi kin no we mo ko ni e jore be ta be na.
Wo ya la li yore. Gwelo ya la li yore we.
Kwani ta we ni gbe we gba lo no mo ko di wetin e da de bed ogbon. Yen de bed ogbon o ni ade ni ado lo bi kin e. Ara wi e do no do lo.
Babo like.
No ge baba yi.
We say mama. Oni la mo vecchio romana ri to sa go and meet mama. Wabere na si omozo wabere na si an omozo ni tell the truth wa mawe iya wa we e bona wa mu gbo since then we ga fi gbe mu na e wa wo na you lose us no game we you get us for Lagos never what's wrong we go na do wa kwa imerita mu nu e daji o gba na ya no wa video we me risk we they can come